Alright, so there's a few more things we need to add to this. Okay, so you see how there's part 1, letter 1, part 1, letter 1, one's a Word document, one's a PDF, one's a picture, but there's one document that we're missing, is that we need the custom one that has my information on it. So just like this one. So there should be a folder called part 1, letter 1. So you see how this says letters to mail? I'm going to open this up and create a folder, new folder. It's going to say part 1, letter 1, part 1, letter 1, right? So it's new folder. So part 1, letter 1 should have these 3 letters in there. Okay, part 1, letter 1, move to letters, part 1, letter 1, move here. Now we're going to do the same thing, part 1, letter 1 for the PDF. I'm going to move it there. Part 1, letter 1 screenshot. Move it there. Okay, so now all of these need to have like their own folder because they're all different things. So here's part 1, letter 3. So then you'd create in letters, you'd create a folder called part 1, letter 3. Okay, and then everything in part 1, letter 3 should go into that folder. Now, for everything that's in these folders, part 1, letter 1, these are generic, right? So these don't have my information on it. So is what I need is I need one PDF, one Word document with my information on it. So it'll be a new folder, say Zach Custom. So the reason why we want this PDF, because all you have to do is make a copy. Make a copy. And this is the original one. This one says copy. I'm going to rename it, called Zach Custom. Or we can just use Zach C. Let's use Zach C for now. Okay, so now that you have this, we're going to put it into Zach Custom. Okay, from here, this is when you're going to edit it and then put in my information. Okay, you're going to put in, the date is fine. You can put in whatever date you're doing this because it's an easy change. You're just going to put in, all my information. You're going to get rid of the highlight. And you're going to put in my address. You're going to get rid of the highlight. And so on, right? So then it gets saved. It automatically saves. So then when I come here, the Zach C for Zach Custom, it's going to be more customized with my information on it, right? So I think if I refresh it again, it should have the change. See, Now it has my name on it. Now it has my information on it. It's still letter 1, part 1, letter 1. Now it has my name information. So now all you do is right click and then you save as a PDF. I think you could do like make a copy. Actually, no. Oh yeah, I know how to do it. So then you have to open it up, and then you do file, then new, no, file, download, PDF, and you save it to your computer or whatever you do, and then you save it right here for Zach Custom, and then now it's a PDF. So I can easily just download it and mail it out. So we need that. So again, going backwards, I'm completely done now. But going backwards, we have to do that for all of these because they're all different. So there should be a different folder for repo letter, repo letter 1, repo letter 1, repo letter 1. There should be a new folder for that, and then there should be a custom folder. So for each and every one, like address update, Zach custom folder. Hard inquiry letters, there should be a Zach custom folder in here. And then for like hard inquiry letter 1, letter 1, letter 1, one of these. So then you're going to make a copy of this again. Make a copy. You put the copy into custom. Then when you go into custom, you start editing it, and then you save it as a PDF.